After a 5-year hiatus, the International Pharmaceuticals Incorporated Wellness Festival returns, featuring the thrilling IPI Run and a host of activities to rejuvenate mind, body, and spirit. With over 3,000 participants in 2019, this year's event promises to be even bigger and better. Scheduled for May 19, 2024 at Mandani Bay, Mandawi City, the festival offers a diverse range of activities including the run marathon, yoga, Zumba, CrossFit, boxing, and wellness checks.
So we have brand activation booths, games, entertainment. We also have Zumba, yoga, boxing. We have food. We have, what else do we have? Art, craft, and painting. Of course, we have our affiliates of IPI will be there too. We have massage sessions. I know everyone is excited about it. We have medical consultations, and all of these are done with our affiliates.
Even the routes have been revamped for the 3-kilometer, 6-kilometer, 12-kilometer, and 21-kilometer categories, while ensuring the safety of all participants.
Of the event, it is already taken by our team. We've done this so many times, big and small races. We really coordinate with the LGUs, the traffic, the disaster, the PNB, and of course our team, and also the orientation of some of my partners, and especially for my medical in-house team. So regarding with our route, this is fully, we will put a traffic cones also for the safety of everyone in the whole route. We will put traffic cones. We will let all the runners run inside and the traffic cones, and outside will be the vehicles.
And the running is open for all. So there's no age limit for as long as they're physically fit, no? And of course, if naay mga gipamati, hopefully, no, kanang allowed sila sa ilahang doctors to have this kind of activities. So there's no age limit. Thank you, ma'am.
The event boasts a comprehensive wellness program, gift packs, meals, and raffle opportunities, with 65 lucky participants receiving shoes in celebration of the company's 65th anniversary.
Ang brand, surprise naman. No, there's a meaning to that because we would like to start, in 2019, a lot of runners joined that and they were first timers. And since 2019 until today, they've been running and they've been joining. So I think that's the purpose of that IPI Run in 2019 because we would like to educate people to start running. And the same as 2024, although 56% of who registered currently are actually for 12 and 21K. But we're still encouraging people to register the 3K. Kaya dagan pa man og mahadlok or na-intimidate to run. So I hope the 65 pairs of shoes will encourage them to register.
To ensure comfort and accessibility, the organizers will also be providing on-site tents, convenient parking, and different registration options.
I'd just like to give my most sincere appreciation yun sa inyong pag-support sa AMUA for the last 65 years. Not just for this event, but for the last 65 years. Without you guys, maglisod yun me. You guys are the reason, the perfect reason of why we exist as a local company based out here in Cebu. And we are a company striving to become one of the most premier companies here in the Philippines.
IPI is steadfast in its mission to provide care and wellness to the community through various programs, including this highly anticipated Wellness Festival. So save the date and move for wellness this 19th of May. This has been Joanne Clarisse Espinosa, CIT-U Comm Intern for MyTV Cebu.